Thutha wa kuhugwa mahuri ni bunge ya Senate iguru rigie gikuo kia muhuthiri wa NENDA Albert Ojwang, ruhonge rwa Ipoa ni rwikinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie ugitiri. Mwikariri giti wa kamiti ya Ipoa Isaac Hassan agitetirithia Ipoa ndigutiga ihiga o riothe ritari rigarure ndeto-ini no. Ari ndeto ya bururite mawoni na marakara kuma kuri muingi ukionekana ta kuri na njama ya kuhithirira maabitha amwe. Hassan augite ruhonge rwa Ipoa rutigwitikira kuhuthika kuhithirira abitha o wothe gutekumakania gikiro giake.
That's the last 4 months in police custody. And next to
how many?
There are 20.
They have basically left everything to Ipoa. No DCI, no internal affairs unit. So are you up to the task?
We're not going to be used as a cover-up. We're going to talk to everyone who was involved with this matter, get all the evidence, and recommend prosecution of anyone who is involved in this death, no matter their station.
Hassan ohono ahithuritie maabitha 18 nio marathuthurio aria maikiria ngono Ojwang ari Homa Bay aria makuruhanire kumukinyia ceceni ya borithi ya Central na nginya aria mamutwarire moshari ya Nairobi Funeral Home.
We also interviewed some witnesses. Some of them were in custody at the night of the death of the late. Again, they have been also, and there are some other civilians of interest.
How many witnesses have you interviewed or interrogated? Witnesses, it's good to separate. How many witnesses? Those who are in custody then that night, the material night.
We have not yet classified them as as suspects because first you take down their statement.
Shigie riria mitambo ya CCTV ya thogirwo. Hassan ni ekirite mukode ya thogirwo utuku wa tariki 8 niguo kuhithirira maria mathiaga na mbere ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central thutha wa Ojwang gukinyio.
Going to get a lot of information. The investigators are going to get a lot of information from the CCTV. And number 2, we're also going to get to know who is this that unplugged the power.
The CCTV system located at the OCS office had been interfered with. The power cables were disconnected. The DVR logs indicated that the operating discs had been changed and formatted.
Na muingi ugithiaga na mbere kuhinyiriria munini wa borithi Eliud Lagat eherie wabici-ini. Munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja ni erire kamiti no uthuthuria wa Ipoa ugikuruhania Lagat na njuragano eno ndegukorwo na wiki tiga kuyeheria.
Why isn't it important that the DIG should step aside to allow for effective and meaningful investigations to go on?
The DIG is going to be mentioned, then definitely you relate the statements, and I believe it's on that basis that now he can be able to step aside to allow for that completion of that investigation.
Muthenya waira munene wa DCI Amin Mohamed ni arerire bunge ya Senate OCS wa ceceni ya borithi ya Central Samson Talam niwe mwikoirwo munene gikuini kia Ojwang. Umuthi akiuga Ojwang ari muku agikinyio thibitari-ini wa Mbagathi mathaini ma thaa 8 cia utuku. Riri Talam na maabitha angi makoretwo makieherania na gikuo kia Ojwang. Talam akiuga ni ageretie kumuhonokia.
But we received a letter from Mbagathi Hospital confirming that the deceased was brought to that facility at around 2 a.m. while already dead.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.